guys are fucking gay, dude. Over a guy, you walking for a fucking guy.
You're barely at the gate.
What gate? What gate?
The gate of the stupid damn park. So you're basically by the street.
This nigga loud. Mike is loud as fuck.
See the fireworks?
What the fuck is he talking about?
Okay, if you stand towards the mountains, can you stand away looking at the mountains? Yes, the way Walmart is. Get away from me!
Nigga.
Walmart's not that way. Yes, I see the fireworks.
Tell him to go the back way. Not towards the fireworks. Go behind.
Oh, that's so pretty! Is there a car right by you? Is there a car by you? Truck. Behind you. Oh, okay then. Okay, I just need to follow the car. Follow the car. Wave your phone in the air. Okay, we're waving our phones. Okay, wave your phones. Okay, we're waving our phones in the air.
Tell him go in a circle.
Okay, so you're walking towards the fireworks. Go the opposite way where that car just passed you by. In front of the fireworks.
That shit is badass, dude. Let me get some of them fireworks. Put them in the mailbox.
In the mailbox.
Hell yeah.
Like,
Like, plak! Hey, tell him I'll turn the lighter on.